Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the 10-year note futures as they're moving higher today. 10-year note futures trading higher for a second session. Today we're looking at the futures market trading up to the highest level in 7 sessions or a week and a half. After some sideways price action the last couple of days, we are seeing a shifting dynamic here, and we're seeing prices moving higher here for a second day and currently priced at 109.27. Now intraday we did see a high of 110.4.5, so we're off the intraday highs and back below that 110 handle, but nonetheless holding on to a gain here. And we look at the driving factors, a couple things influencing market. Now number one, we had some housing data this morning, came in a little bit weaker than anticipated, so I think that that's one of the catalysts as to why we're seeing some higher price action. Couple of that with a rotation in the market. We're seeing a rotation in the equity markets. You're looking at some of the large cap names, particularly in the Dow, under some pressure. We're seeing some of the tech names continue to hold on to strength. But overall, there is a rotation in the last couple of days in the equity markets, and I think that's another catalyst as to why we're experiencing some buying pressure in the Treasury markets once again today. Now looking at the yields, that 10-year yield is down 3 basis points today to 438 basis points. And the yield curve is lower, slightly lower, pretty much from the 2s all the way out to the 30s. The short end of the curve, we're seeing flat to slightly lower prices, higher yields. But if you go from the 2-year all the way up to the 30-year, we're seeing yields down anywhere from 1.5 to 3.5 basis points, depending on where it falls on the curve. The back end of the curve is really experiencing a little bit more buying pressure, moving those yields lower today. But 10-year higher for a second day, holding on to gains here, and moving yields now lower for a second session as well.